So in the previous episode, we had a comment that kind of clarified a few things, which we really appreciate, because that commentator explained a lot of things, a whole paragraph of things, while also not spoiling anything. So that is always type of comments that we are looking for. I mean, if you want to give it, and it's really helpful for anime onlys like us when it comes to, like, you know, things that the anime might cut out that is kind of interesting or important information, or it just makes it more, I guess, well-rounded.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. So thank you guys. That being said, I think we're in the middle of a fight.
Or leading up to
one. Yeah, we don't even know if it's a devil, a demon, or even human. You know, that's causing this.
I mean, of course,
it's a devil, isn't it?
It's a devil because it consumed.
Yes, okay.
The piece of flesh of the gun devil, and that's why they're chasing this particular.
Oh, that is why they were here. I totally forgot about that. Okay, and then we found out about Himeno's ability, the ghost.
Her past too, her backstory about how she always have partners that passed away.
Okay, that's right. Okay,
and that she doesn't have much hope in the rookies, because most of the rookies die within like a year or something like that.
Yeah, that being the case, I don't even remember these two rookies' name. Do you remember their name?
No.
I try to remember the guy's name because the guy's name was a lot easier than the girls. I think her was like Kano or something, right?
I don't know.
But I guess we'll figure it out. Anyways, we're excited to start, and we are too. Let's go. Arai, that's right. She's so cute.
Why are you even a hunter if you're
that timid? Yeah. Aki? I like how she asked Aki.
No, they're making her
Kobani, right? You can actually enter a room though. Room on the other side of the window. Dude, Aki is so smart. Oh my gosh. Aki is so cool. So when they entered, they were already in the. On the 8th floor. I wonder, do time pass?
Why is Denji like just?
I would too. Think about it, he never got a good bed. That's so cute.
They're probably like in a separate dimension or something. Separated.
And they'll get trapped too. Oh, they forced her.
Okay, why does her parents suck so much?
Why does it have to be only those two options?
Right?
Why couldn't she just work a regular part-time job or something?
Yeah. Or an office job or something.
Right. Okay, Power's so insensitive here.
I mean, well, Power doesn't
I
understand.
know, it's just funny. One's crying, one's laughing.
How does... So they don't have training, I guess. People could just sign up and then they get put in the field.
That's why Aki keeps telling people to quit, you know?
Maybe some people die, they're not picky because that girl is not fit for this.
See, I was wondering if time changed, but it doesn't. I wonder what's so significant about 818 though.
I mean, 8.
Oh, that's right, they're on the 8th floor. He's so funny.
俺たちはここで永遠に閉じ込められるかもしれないんだぞ。そうなるかもしれねえし、ならねえかもしれねえだろ。分かったら起こして。なんだ。寝なきゃ損だね。俺は悪魔に感謝して眠るぜ。
It'd be good to let your guard down and sleep. Maybe the devil will come out. The main one, you know?
He took off his shoes. I mean, of course he's supposed to, but it's cute.
He sleep with his eyes half open.
8階から出られるようになったんすか。
残念ながらまだ無理っぽい。デンジ君が寝てる間に水と電気を使えることが分かったよ。食べ物は宿泊客が逃げるとき置いていった荷物に少しだけあった。正直さ、みんな参ってきてるんだよ。アキ君はずーっと悪魔探してる。少しは休んだらって言っても聞いてくれない。新井君も最初こそアキ君を手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。
Panic attack.
おかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させて。
She's crazy.
マジンちゃんなんだけど。
パワーをどうかしたんです？
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうね。その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。人間が苦しんでる姿が見たいからの。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
What?
いつも通りですね。
あ、ならよかった。3人で小紅ちゃんとライ君を見張ろう。私一人じゃトイレだけど。
What if it's just me? Yeah, she's working so hard. At the same time. I would be more like this guy too. Working out.
ああ、最後のタバコ。
うぬは落ち着いててつまらんの。
今、アキ君が頑張ってるから。私はゆっくり休んでて。
That's true. There's no point everyone panicking.
個人の力。依存できるもんがあるといいよね。何かに寄りかかっていきたい人生ですよ。
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあアキ君にタバコの味を教えたのは私だもん。
Or did he smoke?
Oh yeah, he did. Remember when before Denji moved in, he went outside and he took a smoke?
付き合いがあるから吸えた方がいいよ。
This when she had long hair. It's actually pretty cute.
銃の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。公安に来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。公安だけが銃野郎の肉片持つこと許されてるもんね。デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない。
そうしてね。バディが死
Kind of funny because she cut her hair and then he grew out his hair.
Mm-hmm.
前のバディの彼女さん。死んだバディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのがよくあること。 悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たるの。まあそういうのもデビルハンターの仕事のうちだって思うことにしてるけど。
What's Aki doing?
何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。
What?
やられたらやり返すべきだ。あんたの問題じゃない。俺がムカつくんだ。
That's funny.
ざまみろ。
Anything is better than
あいつの服に
yeah.
ついてるガムに気づかず生きている。
Aki is so funny. Like I like this part of him, the side of him.
そういや師匠が言ってたな。
Oh, they're actually so cute together.
強いやつでも勇敢なやつでもないって。頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。だからアキ君は長生きできそう。
そりゃ嫌にか。杏仁豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
一本あげる。
骨が腐るかも吸わない。
ああ、長い付き合いになりそうだとか知ってほしいな。
Do you think he did it?
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
Wait, but he smoked later too, didn't he?
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
だね。これ最後の一本。
じゃあ、それくださいよ。
So does he smoke again? They're so cute.
黙れ。
Oh, I actually like both of them.
悪いニュースがある。
Too bad he has a crush on Makima.
Oh, that's right.
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
He's a lot bigger now. He found him! Oh my gosh, Aki actually found him! Dude, Aki is so cool!
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。これ何の悪魔だ。
Denji? Oh, this is that girl. I forgot her name.
Koben?
食わせろ。
Why are you just here to be like annoying?
No, she has to be pretending.
You can't be that stupid, right?
Oh my gosh, she really was gonna kill Denji.
I just need to knock her out.
Yep, there they go, knocking her out again. I don't think she qualifies because she's willing to kill her own comrades just for her own safety.
I kind of felt bad for her, but honestly,
アキ君、キツネで飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
Oh, he's so cool.
やっぱり狐は来ませんね。
Oh,
断絶されてるんだ。
oh, that's so cool. Who let me try that? Wait, it's in
私の
Kyoto.
ホストでやるか。
The body is in Kyoto. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
それはないよ。契約ってあの悪魔が言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの。契約を片方が守ればもう片方も絶対に守らなければならない。
Has to or else.
守れ
Oh.
ず破った方が死ぬ。 だからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だよ。
ヒーロー先輩、そいつを殺すべきです。一度そいつを殺して外に出た後に対策を練ればいい。このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。
Why are these two rookies so annoying? Like, Himeno, your
He
team
doesn't like
sucks.
Denji though.
デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も
Yeah, you're so stupid.
ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できない。
Even Power wants Denji dead.
She just doesn't give a fuck, so she's non-factor.
だからお前がデンジを殺しても悪魔を外に出す義理はない。とにかくデンジを殺さない。俺たちのデビルハンター。
Dude, these two are the most sensible one right here. What did they say about Fian though?
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
I gotta check killing hell no. Dude, so much is going on. I'm trying to wrap my head about what just happened.
アキ君、実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。でもデンジも殺すつもりはない。
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。
I know, what plan do they have?
それはダメ。
刀使えば解決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使わない。その時は悪いけど。
デンジ君が死んで。
Dude, that means okay. They're telling us something about the sword.
ベッドに置いておいた食料が。
Ah, Power. Dude, Power is making the situation worse. I knew it was her. Dude, she is. Oh my gosh. She doesn't even like food.
デンジが食べておったわ。
すんげバレる嘘。
分かっちゃった。私、分かっちゃった。
Someone knock her out.
Dude, seriously, oh my god.
こいつは血を混じんで。
Dude, shit is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is going crazy.
酸っぱいじゃん。
俺は悪魔の悪魔のくじ。
Can we just kill her?
Why is it moving now? Dude, they're making the situation worse. Those rookie. Oh goodness.
Why were they in the opening song? I'm like tired of them. I don't need to see them anymore after this.
Oh, they're fair. So they just need to stop hearing. I'll be the one to kill Chainsaw Soul. Turn it into... Oh, I got Denji. Dude, her fear of it is making this worse. You notice that?
Why did you have to miss her? Bad. She was right there.
Oh, this must be the real... Dude, these two are... Oh my gosh.
Fall in. Die.
いいですよね。姫野先輩。
Oh
おいあんた。何してんだ。
my gosh, she's so cool.
外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり減るの。アキ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさん。
Oh, she actually cares so much for him. Dude, how did... Oh, I forgot they could come through the other side. Dude, they're so annoying. Oh my gosh. And of course, power is power. Of course, Himeno's not gonna do something, but Aki is the one. Why did Himeno not protect... This shit is so annoying. Oh my gosh, I am so irritated with her. And what? Power's gonna enjoy this blood?
Honestly, I'm really disappointed in him. Himeno.
I know.
You brought these two fathers in here. Can you just control them?
So
Yeah,
he's protecting...
Kobani and Arai, you guys are stupid. He doesn't need you.
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃ。
So Himeno, he's gonna die here. So are you okay with him dying here now instead of taking a year off his life? Are you going to finally do something? It's your fault. You basically kind of like, you know, she allowed her own teammate or whatever.
Now she's panicky because Aki might died. She is so annoying. Just die already.
Someone just punch her in the face.
I know.
Punch her in the face.
Thank goodness, she's so annoying. I'm not gonna go down soon. Why are they so useless?
I honestly hate this whole team. This whole other team. Like, I don't care about power. And Aki is fine. But Himeno, there's Arai and whatever.
Dude, honestly, Denji is so awesome. He's willing to die for them. Aww. Oh, he's on good terms with Aki. Oh, he pulled it right before he jumped, which means he's already like have the ability to use it, you know. Oh my god!
Is that an
It
episode?
ended! Dude! They did it so well! The way they came around and ended this.
Honestly,
Dude, this is a very hectic episode. Very hectic.
no, this is an episode that makes my blood boil. And honestly, though, like, why are you going to such lengths to introduce Himeno and her team? And they're just shit people. Like, I don't even like Himeno anymore. Like, you're so stupid.
I know.
You basically did nothing. You allowed your partner to get hurt. It's like, oh, I'm not gonna let you get hurt. But then, like, I'm gonna let you get hurt. Are you stupid? And then this one company girl, can someone just knock her out? Or can someone just, like, kill her?
Did she turn out to
And
be
then
a lot more
Arai,
useless
like,
than
seriously,
I
go back
thought.
to your panic mode. Like, go hide or something.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, I'm just really pissed off. I don't think I've been this pissed off for a while. I have not been this pissed off for a while. It's just because we don't actually need this extra team. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, actually,
Why are they even
Aki
brought
and
here?
Power,
Why are
yeah,
they
Aki, Power, and
here?
Denji could have done it alone. We don't need you guys. You guys are actually really stupid. You know that this reminds me of Uzumaki. But anyway, yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? It doesn't make sense. Like, why? Why are they even here then? It's just like, do they pass anything to qualify to be a hunter to even be here in the first place?
I don't know. I'm just super angry because, like, I'm just, like, on Denji's team, and I like Aki because he's at least reasonable. And Power is, like, she's, like, a non-factor because, like, she's powerful, but then she's not human, so you can't, like, apply the same logic to her.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone else is like, okay, you guys are human, you guys are stupid, you guys are, like, you guys have fear, and this is why devils exist. Sure. But then, like, you guys are annoying. It doesn't mean you guys are not annoying.
Mm-hmm.
And again, why are they even here? because like we do not even need them, especially Himeno. Like, how are you going to spout some nonsense about how you are a survivor, about how you are a senior, and then like act all cold and everything like that, and in the end you're capable of doing nothing.
It was very chaotic, very, very chaotic. And if you think about it, if Himeno is able to stop Aki from using his sword, couldn't she just bind the
Kobino girl.
Girl, exactly. And just have her stop being so nonsense. If you think about it, that demon wasn't attacking them. He started only attacking them after she started freaking out even more, you know? And for her to even attack Arai, like, I swear, after this episode, if they were to escape, those two just need to stop, like, retire. Like, at this point,
the funny thing is,
what?
I'm counting Himeno in that.
But you know, it's like, at this point, she's
like,
better
retire.
off as a sex worker.
Honestly,
because she's gonna die at this rate.
Things that okay, Himeno. I'm going back to her because Kobini is like whatever.
Mm-hmm. you just dismiss.
I'm dismissing her because I hate her. Like, she's like, okay, I do not want to see her anymore. But I kind of feel like Himeno is like a part of like a main cast or something, like not part of the main cast, but she's like
just an important
character,
not a side.
Yeah, because we got her backstory and everything, and it's just like Aki did the work, okay? Of like, you know, looking around, and then the devil wanted Denji, and then when it was the first time around, Power was the one who killed the devil. What did Himeno's team do? They did nothing.
Well, Himeno stopped.
No, the thing is that all she did there was watched, smoked, said her nonsense bullshit, show off her power, which actually she did not ever use in a way that was helpful. And then her team went off the rails, and she knocked them out for a bit, but she still did not like do anything for her team. Like, she just let them run wild. And it's just like they're just in the way of Aki and Power and Denji.
I feel like she was trying to stay calm because Aki was calm, but Aki was the one who was actively doing something. So if she was to actively do something too, that it would conflict. Like, I think
I don't know.
No, I'm saying
maybe
Himeno, how she was already panicking.
She's so cowardly. Like,
that's the
is
thing.
Is that the reason why all your partners like died? Because like you're willing to just risk your teammates. You know what I mean?
Right.
Just throw them to the wolves.
No, but I feel like if she was actually the one who did something, she probably would have panicked. So for her to stay calm, she had to let Aki lead the way, you know?
She needs to retire. That's what it means. If your partner's gonna die and you go into a panic attack, you just need to retire.
But did you realize, I feel like the reason why she allowed herself to get like those beatings from her partner's significant others or family members,
she's very down on herself. I mean, like, she has a lot of survivor's guilt.
Because probably she even knows that she could have done something, but she didn't do anything. So she survived maybe because her partner gave their life in exchange so that she can survive. And for her, she felt like she should be receiving those blunt from their family members because she, like a survivor guilt. But at the same time, she did really survive because at the cost of her partner's life, you know?
If it's because it's something like this and you do nothing and your partners are all the ones who come up with the ideas, then of course she survived. You know what I mean? Right. It means that you're just not a good hunter. It's time for you to retire.
In this case, no. If you think about it, if Power wasn't there, Aki would have died from blood loss. And then that would have been another tragedy. Aki would have died. So yes, this is very traumatic for Himeno. But like we've seen, Himeno is basically useless because if Aki would have died basically if it wasn't for Power, which means that.
What do you mean if it wasn't for Power? What are you talking about? What did Power do?
Power is there trying to stop the bleeding from Aki, to stop Aki from bleeding. And Himeno,
I kind of missed that. What did she do?
That's why she came over to him, because Denji was like, "Can you stop the bleeding?" And then she was like, "Oh, I can't. I'm a blood devil, but I can only use my own blood. But I can try to it, you know, to stop Aki's bleeding."
Okay.
And she walked up to Aki and tried to stop the bleeding.
And Himeno just panicked.
And Himeno panicked, and then that's when Denji said Denji's gonna do it, you know?
That's why Himeno and her whole team just needs to GTFO.
Exactly. So that brings me to my point where Himeno really is just the type that
useless.
Let her partner really takes control, and then when they are gonna die, they just end up dying in exchange for Himeno's well-being.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really worked up. I'm sure she's a good character. I'm sure she's a favorite of some other people. I'm just very worked up. Because, like, up to this point, it's just very disappointing. Everyone is disappointing except for Denji and Aki.
I was actually very proud of Denji. Like, you know, he himself is scared too. But he is willing to die or put himself in danger just so that he can appease those two rookies, you know, or just so that everyone can try to escape. I know it's mainly so that everyone can escape because of his death, but at the same time, it's upsetting because he did it because those two rookie really panicked, and it's just like, man, if those two would have actually tried to think a way instead of panicking, sorry.
I'm so upset that I cannot even like if I see them in the opening song, I'm just like, why are you in the opening song?
I was
like,
looking
I
forward
do not
to them.
need
I am
you
disappointed
here.
But Aki characters remind me of Megumi from Jujutsu Kaisen, because you know Aki is always ready to use his sword. He's constantly saying, "I will use my sword as a last resort," you know.
Mm-hmm.
But then in Megumi from Jujutsu Kaisen, he's always ready to release. I forgot Megadon or Magatron. I forgot the character's name, but it's just his ultimate move, and basically it's if you use it, you die. For Megumi, you haven't seen the latest one, but remember in season 1 when he said he was going to use it when Sukuna came out for the first time out of
it's fine, I don't remember. It's fine.
Okay.
Just
Yeah, so my point is, like, they're so funny because they're characters where they kind of lost everything, they have nothing to live for, and they have this ultimate move, and they're always willingly or ready to use it even at non-life threatening situation. Like they're ready to use it when they don't need to. Like for this situation, Aki could have probably think of other solution, but they're constantly thinking like, oh, this is my backup plan. So it's to him, it's not really life or death, but it's like I have this backup plan no matter what, you know. So that's just how Megumi was.
that bed that they should have crushed. No, that bed that when they tilted, they should have crushed company. Like, oh, that was such a wasted opportunity. That was a missed opportunity.
They needed her to be alive so she could stab
that bed
Aki.
needed to crush her, man. It was a missed opportunity.
I don't know. I feel like Adai, he's so useless. Like, he is here calling Denji a punk, you know, and hating Denji so much, but yeah, he's doing nothing. And you know,
at least he didn't hurt his own teammate.
No, you know what he did? He grabbed Denji so then his teammate could stab Denji. That's what he did.
I missed it. I was just so upset.
He had Denji pinned to the floor.
And upset. And like I kind of
no, so he's just as useless. You remember?
I wish hunters overall, because there's a whole organization about them, for them. I just wish they were like better, cooler, whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's just like you just fill in an application real quick.
Yeah,
like, I don't even think you need an application.
Yeah,
because Denji didn't even do an application. You just say you want to be a hunter and you're in. I feel like instead of just having people who become hunters and enter their death, they should just be. Oh wait, I take it back.
Like they're so disappointing.
I was like, they should wait for some type of ability, but no, it's because these are regular humans who make contracts with devils.
Yeah,
so.
these hunters are so disappointing. Like Himeno and her Arai and Kobini, like they're so disappointing. Like maybe that's why we were following Denji and Power and Aki.
But okay,
this organization does not know how to train their.
I think they don't care.
Hunters.
They don't care.
It's just life is not valuable to them. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
But yeah, I think
I'm
we'll
really
just end it here.
Sorry.
Yeah, we'll just end it here since we're just gonna continue to talk about
how
upsetting it is. Yeah, but okay. Thank you guys so much for joining us for Chainsaw Man. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.